Should an insurance policy be under your name, LLC, or DBA? First off, a DBA is essentially ignored. It's just a nickname. So there's no real reason to have an insurance policy under a DBA. But now the question is, do you have it under your LLC or your own individual name? To answer that question, it helps to understand what is an insurance policy. I know we all know what it is basically, but from a legal standpoint, an insurance policy is a contract that says if you are liable for something, somebody else will take over that liability, the insurance company. So the question then is, do you want the insurance company to take over liability for your LLC or for you individually? Now, many times you can get it for both, and that's going to be best for you. You might have an insurance policy under your name, but your LLC is a named insured. So in other words, we have named your LLC as also insured. The technical language for that in the insurance industry is the named insured. So the parties insured under the policy are going to be you and the LLC. That's going to be best. If you must pick between the LLC and you individually, then I would say, who's more likely to get sued? Because you want to have your insurance policy where the lawsuits are going to be. And if the LLC has virtually no assets in it, like for example, if a nurse is just providing services through the LLC, I wouldn't be too worried about that LLC getting sued because the nurse could just shut down that LLC. It has no assets, and the lawsuit essentially dies with the LLC. So in that case, I'd say have the insurance policy with the nurse. Ideally, you have both, but if you must pick, have it with the individual nurse. But this would be very different if the LLC has equipment or real estate or other valuable assets in it. You will want that LLC protected, and you'll probably want to be protected yourself. So even if it costs you a little more to get protection for both the LLC and you, that is what I would negotiate with the insurance provider. Sometimes insurance companies do not charge extra to have an additional named insured for these types of claims. Sometimes they charge a little bit extra. Sometimes you have to have an entirely separate policy. It's all a contract with the insurance company, so rates are open to negotiation. That's not to say insurance companies are willing to negotiate their rates, but in theory at least, you can get different rates from different insurance companies, so you might check around and see if you can get both your LLC and yourself insured on a policy. If you found this video helpful and you would like more educational videos like this, feel free to subscribe to this channel. If you have other questions, put them in the comments below. I'm Aaron Hall, an attorney for business owners and entrepreneurial companies. You can learn more about me at aaronhall.com. And if you'd like to sign up for our free resources, go to aaronhall.com/free. It was great to be with you here today.